Welcome back to another scalping lesson. Soil here, and today I want to teach you an unbelievable scalping strategy that generates highly profitable trading signals. Please watch this video until the end because I will explain important points regarding this strategy which without paying attention to them you cannot successfully and profitably execute this scalping strategy in practice. Alright, this is a 1 minute scalping strategy. So here we set the chart time frame on 1 minute. This is the price chart of euro to US dollar, but there is no limitation on this and you can use this strategy on any other asset or market, whether it's forex, crypto, or stocks. The only requirement in terms of the asset or market is trading volume and liquidity, because this is a 1 minute scalping strategy and the profit and loss that we're going to take are small in terms of price movement, so we don't want to experience any unreal price gap or large spread between bid and ask prices that can damage our trade entry, stop loss, and profit. In this scalping strategy we have 3 indicators. For adding them, here we click on indicators and we simply search their name. The first one is rabbit hole. This one, which is written by someone named dman103, and we use this indicator with its default settings. By default it's based on Kaufman's adaptive moving average, and these settings are fine for our strategy. This indicator shows the change and strength of momentum with different shades of green and red color. The lighter the green, the stronger the advancing of the price, and the lighter the red, the stronger the declining of the price. Alright, the next indicator that we should add is money flow index, this one, and for this indicator also we use it with its default settings. And the last indicator that we should add is super trend, this one, and we must change its settings. So we go to its settings, and for ATR length we set it at 13, and for the factor we set it at 7. Alright, everything is already set on the chart, and let's see how we trade based on this 1 minute scalping strategy. It's very easy and you just need to be focused on your trade entry, stop loss, and profit target. When super trend is green, it means that we are in an uptrend, so we must look for long position opportunities. This is a trend following strategy, so we wait for a pullback, and then when the pullback ends we enter in a trade. For this purpose we use this indicator. While we are in an uptrend and when this indicator becomes red, it means that a pullback is forming on the chart, and when it again turns to green color, it gives us the signal that the pullback has probably ended. We wait until it becomes light green color. We don't enter on darker shades of the green color. So when it becomes light green color, which actually happened here, then we take a look at MFI for final confirmation. For long positions, money flow index should be above 50, so our trading signal is confirmed here, and we can enter a long position here as this new candle is open. The stop loss for this trade is placed below the previous swing low, and the profit at 1.5 risk to reward ratio. After this trade, here again it becomes red, but here we didn't get any light green color, so no action is taken here, and you can see that after that it becomes red again. And if you look at the price, you can see that it went to a tightening consolidation period, and after this red area here it turned to green color again, and at this point it became light green color. The MFI is above 50, so we can enter another long position here as this new candle is opened. The stop loss is similarly placed above the previous swing low, and the profit at 1.5 risk to reward ratio. Please pay attention that for taking your profit, if you're an experienced trader, you can use price action analysis to close your position when you see signs of reversal in the trend. So you can ride on the trend and make more profit. Or you can also use trailing stop loss and move your stop loss below each pullback that is forming on the chart, so you can get the most out of your position. Setting it in advance at 1.5 risk to reward ratio would be a safer option if you're not an experienced trader. Alright, moving on the chart, here again it became red, and after that it became green, and here at this point it became light green color. The MFI is above 50, so we can enter another long position here as this new candle is opened. Moving on the chart, here again it became red, and after that we got light green color here at this point. MFI is above 50, so we can enter another long position at this point when this new candle is opened. Alright, one point that I must mention here is that in all these trades that we took until now, when we got the light green color, it was at the beginning of color changing, and it was at the point that these lines were widening, which actually shows increased momentum. But in this case, after this red area, it turned to green, but before we have a light green color, it squeezed here at this point and then widened, and again squeezed and again widened here, and we got light green color here at this point. When this happens, it's better not to take the signal, because these kinds of signals show that the price went through some ups and downs in the momentum, and it tells us that it's not a strong signal, so we don't take any action here. Alright, moving on the chart here, after this red area we got light green color at this point, but this is not confirmed by MFI because it's below 50, and after this red area here we got light green color at this point. MFI is above 50, so it's a confirmed signal, and we enter a long position at this point when this new candle is actually opened. Please pay attention that in this case our trade would finally end up in profit, but we should not take this trade. Why? Because the market went to a trading range starting from here. At this point, when we got a confirmed signal, you can clearly see that the market is in a trading range. This is a trend following strategy, and it works well when the market is trending. When the market is not trending, like here, you should stop trading until a new trend is established. In this situation of non-trending market, the number of false signals increases. In this case, after this red, we didn't get any signal here, and after this red, also this signal is not confirmed because MFI is below 50, but it's not always like this, and we may encounter false signals. Although this strategy is very powerful and it doesn't confirm many of false signals in trading ranges, but as I said, this is a trend following strategy and it's not designed for flat markets. So when the market is not trending, you must avoid these signals. Moving on the chart here, after this red area, we have a confirmed signal here at this point, but since we are in a trading range, we would actually avoid this signal in practice. But from what you see on the chart, you can see that it was the breaking point of this trading range, and the price increased considerably after that. So in case if you want to take the risk and catch large movements of the price when the range is broken, just make sure you set your stop loss tightly and you strictly manage your trade based on your risk management strategy so you can protect your account. Moving on the chart here, again you see that the market went to a trading range, so we don't take any action here. And if you pay attention, you can see that these signals are not confirmed by our strategy. So you can see that our strategy works well in filtering false signals even when the market is in a trading range. From this point, super trend became red, and it tells us that a downtrend started in the market. When super trend is red, we look for short position opportunities. In this case here, when this indicator becomes green, it shows that a pullback is probably forming on the chart. And when it turns to red and we get light red color, it's a sell signal. The signal is confirmed if MFI is below 50, so we can enter a short position at this point when this candle is closed. The stop loss for this trade is placed above the previous swing high and the profit at 1.5 risk to reward ratio. After this trade here, again this indicator became green, and after that it becomes light red at this point. MFI is below 50, so our signal is confirmed here, and we can enter another short position at this point when this new candle is opened, and we continue like this with points that I explained for long positions. Please pay attention that like any other trading strategy, this strategy doesn't generate 100% guaranteed signals, and losing trades are part of the game, and we need to manage the risk properly. There is a risk management strategy that is called 1% rule, and it's a perfect choice for scalping strategies. I have a complete guide on this. The link is also placed in the description of this video, and I highly recommend you to watch it, because without a proper risk management strategy, you will not be able to successfully and profitably run the scalping strategy that I explained in this video. Not only for this strategy, but for any other trading strategies that you want to use, you need to manage your risk properly. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask and leave a comment for me. I'll answer your questions as soon as possible. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell so you get the notifications of my new videos. See you guys in next video, and good luck with your trading.